Welcome to the Effingham County School District's mobile app, Android edition. It's important to note that the mobile app does not replace the district or school's websites. Instead, the mobile app pulls information or content from multiple websites and apps into one convenient location. To download the app, please visit the Google Play Store and search for Effingham County Schools. The first time you open the app, you will be prompted to select which school or location you would like to subscribe. Not to worry, you can always make adjustments later in the settings. Once the app is fully open, you will notice that there are multiple screens. Simply swipe to the left to view the next screen. On the first screen, you will notice a slideshow will appear at the top of the screen. The content shown here is being pulled in from each school's website and social media that you have subscribed to. Click on the graphic to view the full story. We encourage you to take a moment to explore the icons, but we did want to talk about a few of them. The news icon pulls announcements, headlines, and calendar events from the schools or locations that you follow and their social media account or accounts. Click on any of the items to access more information. You can make adjustments to which schools you follow by clicking on the settings icon in the upper right-hand corner. To go back to the previous screen, click the back button located in the top left of the screen. Notifications icon. The district and schools can send information similar to what is being sent through Remind, Infinite Campus Messenger, website alerts, etc. The directory icon. This will display the phone number of the school or schools, the principals, and their contact information, as well as the school's website. The calendar icon. This will allow users to see all events for each schools that they have subscribed to, as well as district events. Click on the event for more detailed information. Users can also bookmark the event by selecting Add to My Events option. They can also add the event to their device or even add personal notes. To see the events that you have bookmarked, click on My Events. To switch back to all events, click on All Events. The settings icon. Users can adjust which schools they follow as well as setting their default language. The auto-translate feature will only translate content. It will not translate words within images. Again, we encourage you to take a moment to explore the app. And remember, the mobile app does not replace the district or school's website or social media. Instead, the mobile app pulls information and content from multiple websites and apps into one convenient location.